Hi everyone, it's Gina. Welcome to my channel. Time for a new unboxing of the limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook, and this is the kit for September. Let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, we got a free gift. Thanks, Pam. How about that? So that's two free gifts this year. And these are some thickers, chipboard phrase stickers. Fantastic. All right. Well, thanks so much, Pam. Hey, it's always good to get a free gift. That was great. Now for the kit. All right, here we go. Ooh, let's bring you in just a little closer so you can see better. Okay. All right. We have our 1, 2, 3 packs of Prima Flowers. They are beauties. Oh, look at all the sparkles. Lots of pink, lots of green, got a little bit of brown in there. Very nice. And we have some chipboard stickers. Oh, look at the lady. Very nice. Let's see. Isn't that pretty? Oh, great. So we got our chipboard stickers. Oh, more flowers. I don't think I have this one. Well, she's doing a good job at not repeating her Hampton Art stamps. I've gotten several, but I think they are all different. So good job. Ooh, look at that. That's gorgeous chipboard. The flowers, the heart, beauty. Oh, that's gorgeous. And that's from Prima as well. And here's our pack of ephemera, which we always save till later. Can't wait to dig into that. And let's take a look at our papers. Papers, Prima Marketing, My Sweet Collection is the name of this collection. Let's Shine Together is the name of this page. So look at that. Oh, isn't that cute with the buttons? Very nice. Spools of thread. Wow. Very pink and florally. Oh, we have 2 of these. Yep. Great. Let's see. This one is called I Will Go Wherever You Go. Very nice. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, and we have 2 of those. Ooh, what's this? This is Sewn with Love. Oh, isn't that cute? The little scissors. The butterflies. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. Very, very nice. Oh, got lots of pages with buttons. These make great journal cards. This one's called Parisian Buttons. Okay. Oh, look. Oh, isn't that cute? Bunnies and squirrels. Isn't that cute? Ooh, that's a nice page. This one's called To My Sweet. My darling. Isn't that pretty? Right. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love the green. Little flecks of white. Oh, and lots of butterflies. This one's called Captured Memories. Look how cute. It's got full heart, captured, best friends, adorable, To My Sweet. Oh, and polka dots. Let's take a closer look at our ephemera pack. Okay, that's pretty. That's a nice little ephemera card, or nice little journal card. I need my tweezers. Sorry. Lady. Okay. Some sentiments. Oh, here's one of those sewing cards. Isn't that cute? It's really pretty. Okay, Lucky Dreamer. Flowers. Oh, another lady. She's nice. And these, another, oh, that's a little small sentiment. Butterfly, let's see. Looks like we got something stuck in here, heart. Okay, here's another one of those sewing pieces. And here's some more ephemera cards, or journal cards. I keep calling them ephemera cards. That's pretty. Okay, some more buttons. More pink buttons. Oh, got some flowers and a butterfly. And more buttons. Very nice. So we've got 8 pages, 6 different pages from Prima Marketing's collection titled My Sweet Collection. We've got this gorgeous decorative chipboard. We've got chipboard stickers that go with the collection. We have a new pack of layered stamps. We also have the matching ephemera pack. We've got 3 gorgeous packs of flowers from Prima Marketing. And our free gift of chipboard phrase stickers from Thickers. This pack is perfect for those of you who sew and love sewing. There are a lot of great images there for that I know you will enjoy. All right, that is it. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me that thumbs up. I would appreciate hearing from you. So let me know what you think of this month's collection. All right, that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.